Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use templates in Figma. Templates in Figma are not shortcuts for lazy people, they're speed tools for smart creators. Starting from a blank canvas every time wastes energy. Good templates give you structure, inspiration, and momentum. The key is knowing how to customize them so your work doesn't look generic. Start by logging into your Figma account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Community section and click on it. What the Community section is. This is Figma's public marketplace of ideas and resources. Inside Community, users share templates, UI kits, design systems, plugins, mockups. After entering Community, look under Design Resources. Find the Templates category and click See More. What this step does. It opens the full template library. Instead of seeing only featured items, you'll now browse a larger collection. You'll notice many different templates available. Examples may include website templates, mobile app templates, social media layouts, dashboards, portfolios, presentations. How to choose the right template. Don't pick based on beauty alone. Pick based on fit. Ask yourself, does this match my project type? Is the layout clean? Can I realistically customize it? Once you find one you like, click on it. Then select Open in Figma. What happens here? You're creating an editable version of that resource inside your workspace. This does not usually alter the original public file. Instead, you open your own usable copy or draft version. Next, Figma may ask which account, team, or workspace you'd like to open it in. Choose the account you want. Why this matters. If you use multiple workspaces, choose carefully. Personal account, team workspace, client workspace. Put the file where it belongs now, or you'll create clutter later. Once opened, the template will load inside the editor. Now you can start editing it however you want. What you can customize. You can change text, colors, fonts, images, icons, layout spacing, components, branding. The template is the skeleton. You add the identity. What you just did, big picture. You accessed Figma Community, found a usable template, imported it into your workspace, began customizing it. You skipped the blank page problem and moved straight into creation. Important clarifications. Using a template is not the same as finishing a project. You still need to adapt it to your goals, replace placeholder content, make it original. Also, some templates are excellent, some are sloppy. Inspect quality before investing time. To summarize, using templates in Figma involves logging into your account, opening the Community section, and browsing design resources under the Templates category. After selecting a template that fits your project needs, clicking Open in Figma creates an editable version within your chosen workspace. Once the file opens, you can fully customize it by changing content, branding, colors, layouts, and components to suit your goals. While templates save time and reduce friction, they are only starting points. Their real value comes from thoughtful customization and adaptation. When used properly, templates help you work faster, learn better design structure, and produce polished results without starting from zero. And that's how to use templates in Figma. Smart move, not lazy move. Real designers don't worship blank canvases, they use leverage. Templates are leverage. Just don't become dependent on them. Use templates to accelerate your thinking, not replace it. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.